Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a super simple 5-minute routine for a quick wash and go puff. This will always be my go-to hairstyle whenever I want to do something quick or just running short on time. So I do like to section my hair off first. I don't know why I put it in 3 sections, but I will be starting with the back section first since my hair is pretty thick. I like to put the back in the ponytail first and then work with the front of my hair and combine it to the ponytail in the back. So I like my hair to be pretty wet for this hairstyle, so I'm just going to dampen it a little bit because it is starting to get a little dry. So next I will be applying a generous amount of my Next of Us leave-in conditioner. Even though I did do a 30-minute deep conditioner, I still like to add a leave-in afterwards for extra moisture and just to make sure my curls stay soft and hydrated under the gel. So in order for my curls to get that extra definition, I'll be using Aunt Jackie's curling gel, and I'm just going to apply that throughout my hair and go behind it with my detangler brush, and this will bring the curls out even more while adding some volume. So now I'll be going in with my Eco Styling Gel to smooth everything down. I do like to pull out some curly pieces here and there just to give it a more messy look. So now that I'm done with the back, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the front part of my hair. And I'm just going to do the exact same thing as I did to the back. I did go ahead and add some more Eco Styling Gel to the front. And I'm just smoothing that down with my brush. I did want to leave out some more curly pieces on the side of my hair just to make this look a little bit more messier. So right now I'm just going to go back in with my detangler brush and just get rid of any knots or tangles that might be there. And also just redefine these curls a little bit. I usually just twirl the hair around my fingers, but this process is a lot faster for me. And then I'm going to go in with some more Eco Styling Gel and lay my edges down. I'm going to go in with my blow dryer right now because my ponytail is still a little bit damp right now. But yeah, that is the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.